Something's gotta change.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So life has been absolutely crazy right now. And no, I'm not talking about all like the stuff that's happening outside. It's not because of that. It's because of a whole bunch of other stuff. Let me explain. Okay, so when all of this stuff started happening outside and like, you know, you're forced to work from home and like all these other things and changes in our lives, and it's hit everybody. Like, it's happening to you guys, it's happening to me, it's happening everywhere. But I actually went into this thinking, man, this is awesome. This is gonna be amazing because then I can create a lot more content. I can start up my website. I can start up like all this other stuff that I've been planning to do for my business. Now's the time. Like, I'm gonna have so much time on my hands. I have no idea, like zero idea what's going on because I've actually been much more busier and it's been a lot more hectic ever since this stuff has happened. I've been working a lot more. I guess they figure that, hey, nobody has anything good to do anyways. They're just sitting at home working, so why not just give them more work? And also on top of that, we're like self-distant and self-isolated and quarantined and everything with 2 kids at home, and also my wife is pregnant with our third. That's probably the best news that's happened to me this year in 2020. I'm excited. I'm excited for the third kid and also for it to completely take over my life at this point. I'm already struggling with 2. And on top of that, to make matters even worse, this is happening. Hold on, let me go, let me go show you. Okay, so it's actually raining right now, so I gotta do the shot like really quickly. I don't want my camera and mic and everything to get wet. And the other super big reason I've been busy is because of this. Yeah, we're selling our house. So it's kind of a weird situation. We ended up buying a house before all this stuff started happening outside, and now we gotta sell our house with this stuff happening outside. So we're kind of, I don't want to say it, but we're kind of, and it's a bad situation to be in. But hey, what are you gonna do, right? It's life. Okay, and if anybody has actually gone through like the process of buying and selling a home, it is super annoying. Like, it sucks. Like, literally every single day or every other day, somebody's coming to see your house. So with the kids and with everyone at home, we gotta pack up, clean everything, make it look like nobody's living here, because it's gotta look like a model home in order for it to sell. And then we gotta leave the house for like a couple hours until they come check out the house and whatnot and leave. And it's been very tough. And on that note, we actually have a showing right now, so I gotta leave the house. We'll be back. So I'm actually bringing my drone. However, I have no idea if I'm gonna actually be able to fly this thing because it's still raining, unfortunately. Guys, can you tell me what the point of this wiper is? Like, did that do anything? Like, what's the point? Fine, that's fine.
No in the world.
It's the biggest blackberry in the world? Okay. Yeah, that's so big, Maria. You're lucky I'm at a stop sign. So this has pretty much been our life for like the...
Oh my god, there's a duck crossing.
It's a goose, not a duck.
Okay, big difference.
Wow.
I can't get it.
There's
I
a
can't
cop
get
over
it.
there. The cop better arrest that guy.
Oh my
Look
god.
at him. He's jaywalking in the middle of the street. Yo, guy better get fined for jaywalking. Yeah, we're going on the mountain, honey. Ooh, this would be a nice house. One of our all-time favorite pastimes is to drive through all these roads and basically check out houses, like other people's houses. It's a little creepy. So I know it's kind of creepy that, you know, we're checking out houses and stuff. It's not as creepy as it sounds, trust me. This is a family of realtors, okay? My dad's in real estate. I have my license as well, so, okay, it's warranted, guys, it's warranted. It's a tiny bit creepy. Okay, so slight change of plans. So unfortunately, the kids gotta go pee. I gotta go pee, so we're probably gonna just head back home because the showing's probably done by now. And then I'm gonna try to come back here at like sunrise time, Fajr time, to see if I can get those drone shots. So the kids are getting restless. Let's just go back home. Props. Props again.
Yeah.
Just a quick props guy. So anytime we come back from like a showing and we're just finished the showing, I'm always like super paranoid because it's such a weird concept. Like you're basically letting somebody inside your home unattended, and they can go peruse through your closet, through your cabinets, wherever they want, and you won't even know about it. It's so weird. And that's why every time I come back home after a showing, I make it a point to literally go through everything that, let's say a parent, like a family walks in and they have like a nosy kid, and the parents don't know any better, and the nosy kid walks into my room, sees, hey, there's like a nice, I don't know, like a ND filter. This looks pretty cool. This will look good with my Pokemon. And he just slips it in his pocket and boom, you just lost an ND filter. By the way, in the comment section to my videos, you guys have been asking me about my desk setup and what I have going on over there. That's coming. It's the next video. That's the next video. It's coming. You heard it here first. And the last thing that's been keeping me like extremely super busy is Ramadan. Now, some of you may ask, what is Ramadan? Hey yo, did somebody say Ramadan? Cause I know all about that, bruh. You've been fasting too, eh? Yeah, I've been fasting too. You know, I don't like to brag, but you know, I've been fasting. I've been working on these guns. No, please. You know, I gotta carry a permit now because I'm packing some real heat. Wait, hold on. Who even let you in? How'd you even get in here? Oh. No, we cool. I'm just gonna head out. We cool. Okay, so now that he's gone, Ramadan is basically, hold on. I think I know somebody who can explain Ramadan a little better. His name is Sheikh Dawood and he's a real good friend of mine. And no, Sheikh is not Saudi Arab oil money rich Sheikh that you see in Hollywood. Now Sheikh we use as a term of endearment, respect of somebody who has a lot of knowledge. So let's give him a call.
What's up, Tausif? Welcome back to your YouTube channel.
There you go. That's going to be the intro to our speech. So basically the idea is that I wanted to, for my audience, not everybody knows, like when I used to be at school and stuff like that, people used to always ask me, they're like, okay, what is Ramadan, right? Ramadan comes and you see a whole bunch of people, all the Muslims at school fasting, and then Eid comes. So basically, just wanted to get a quick rundown for our audience over here. What exactly is Ramadan and why do we fast?
45 minutes, right?
Yeah, that's when Zoom will kick us out, so.
What is Ramadan? Ramadan is a month which Muslims fast, and we begin fasting from early in the morning before the sun rises right up until the sun sets. We do that for 30 days, and it's a month throughout the entire year that you'll notice all the Muslims are fasting in order to be obedient to God. So it helps us to strengthen and solidify our connection with God, or with Allah. Allah is the Arabic term for God. But also it allows us to recognize that there are people in the world that are suffering from, you know, lack of food, lack of water, lack of lots of provisions on earth. Sorry.
You're losing your voice already.
It's a typical thing. Too much live streaming. So I'll just go back to the last sentence. You could edit. I feel like I'm doing a TV production here. So the month of Ramadan, you know, we fast in order to appreciate the things that we have from God as a blessing, and to recognize what a lot of people on earth don't have. So there are people who are hungry, there's people who are suffering, people who are struggling of, you know, lack of nutrition and so on. And so one thing that's really important during the month of Ramadan is that at the end of the month, we actually give back to people who don't have as well. So we have this thing known as Zakatul Fitr, which is a portion of money or wealth that we give in order to feed hunger that other people are going through.
Okay. That was very well put. A lot better than what I would have done. So I'm so glad I called you. And for those of you who I know 100% for a fact you're gonna drop in the comment section down below to see if Ramadan is already over. You're right. You're completely right. I suck with timing. I'm so sorry. But hey, better late than never. Alright mate, so I've somehow done it. I've had to crank the ISO on this. It's actually really dark outside. Hold on, let me show you how it actually looks. Yeah, this is closer to what it actually looks right now. Let's go get those drone shots. I'm actually pretty impressed I'm doing this myself. I was legit sure I was gonna go to sleep. Okay. Alright mates, and we're off. We're off into the distance, into the sunrise. I should have actually left a little bit earlier so I could actually get to a spot before it becomes super bright again. But hey. You know, I've always struggled to be like a morning person, but man, every single time I pull through and I like wake up super early to do something, it just feels amazing. Alright guys, we're here. I think I'm gonna launch over here. Let me grab the drone. Man, the view here is so amazing, so I just thought I'd step out for a second. Vlogging is a different beast, and I'm always a little bit weary of vlogging because it's just so personal. You get to see somebody's life at such a personal level and really get to see who they are. But there's a beauty to that. Everybody's different, and you really get to see people's different like ways of life, their traditions, their cultures, the way they think, their ideas, and I love that. There's a beauty to that. And I, for one, am always excited about learning about these differences. And what's amazing is that I feel that us as a humanity have started to learn to, at least most of us, celebrate those differences. Learn about them, respect them, and accept them. And that makes me happy. In any case, I'm gonna try to get some shots here before the sun fully rises. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you're here till the end, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought about it. If you guys want to see more vlogs from me, let me know. I'd love to shoot more vlogs. It's something that I really enjoy doing. So all in all, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you guys go ahead and like the video down below, because it helps me out just a tiny bit. Also, if you like content around tech, gadgets, filmmaking, and lifestyle, then make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you guys go down there. There's like a little notification bell. Turn on the notifications so you're notified every time I drop a video. Make sure you select all notifications because we don't discriminate. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. I think I've been bitten at least like 50 times here. Oh my god, the mosquito situation here is so bad.